Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need perler beads and tri beads. These are the tri beads. I got these off of bead tin and then just some regular perlers. You're also going to need a string that measures about 40 inches, scissors, and a lighter. And you're going to start with putting on one pink perler. Just let that fall to the middle. And then you'll put a tri bead on each side of the string. Let those fall. We're going to take an orange perler and we need to have this string go across. And then you're going to hold these ends together, put your finger through, and then pull this. So you want your strings to get even. Now you can put a tri bead on both sides. We're going to add a yellow perler. Take your string and go across. Now that we have it started, you can just pull both sides. We're going to add a yellow tri bead on both sides. We're going to add a green perler. Take your string and go across. Pull. Then we're going to add a green tri bead on both sides. You're going to add a blue perler. Take your string and go across. Pull. You're going to add a blue tri bead on both sides. Then we're going to add a purple perler bead. Take your string and go across. Pull the ends. Then you're going to add a tri bead on both sides. And this is what it looks like. So you might need to tighten this just a little bit. You don't want it super tight, but just so it's not loose. And now we're at the beginning where we started over here. So you're going to repeat this process until you get the length of your wrist. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how to tie it off. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added 4 sets of rainbow. So to tie this off, we need to bring this end over, and you want to make sure this is straight, not twisted. You're going to take one string and go through this perler bead. And then you'll tie this. Okay, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.